Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sanji and in this video I'm going to tell you about the $1 billion that is being held by the Australian government on behalf of people like you and me for bank accounts that we've forgotten about, life insurance policies we've forgotten about, dividend payments that we didn't know had occurred and we've forgotten about. And all we have to do is go to a website, type our name in, search for it, and then we'll be able to find it and we can claim it. Following a bit of a complicated process, but it's pretty easy. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to get to that website, how to search for it, the form you have to fill in, and that's it. You can get that money. Let's go. If I can just say, this is going to be an incredibly quick video. Hopefully it's not more than 5 minutes. I'd be surprised if it is. All you have to do is go to the Money Smart Unclaimed Money website, which I'll link up here and put in a link in the description below. But it's basically moneysmart.gov.au/find unclaimed money with hyphens in between. So you go here, they tell you there's $1 billion that you can get. You type your name in, let's type in a generic name, and then bang. Look, if your name was Scott Morrison, you can find hundreds of dollars with your name on it. It's super easy. There you go, look at this. This person has nearly $2,000 from AMP that they can just claim. So for example, if we had a look at this particular Scott Morrison's money, you can see there's $1,797 from AMP. Looks like it's related to shares. It's ready to be claimed. So they tell you what the process is. You have to record your OTN, which is this number up here, complete in the form and send your form off to ASIC. And let's have a quick look at the form. So this is the form you'd have to fill out. It's not as straightforward as I initially thought. There is a bit to it. So you have to put in all your standard details about you, the details that you're trying to claim. So this is what you would have seen in the website from Money Smart. And then you have to declare exactly who you are and then provide your proof of ownership. And then you send it off, and I think it says 28 days. It takes about 28 days to get it processed. So I've never actually had to do this process. When I looked under my name, there was nothing there, but you know, you may find something, or you may find something on behalf of your friends. But it looks like it takes about 28 days and it's a pretty straightforward process to do. If you have got experience on this, please leave a comment below. I think it'd be great to share your experience with other people around what you found was complicated, difficult, challenging part of this process to claim or unclaim money. So there are other websites, so you can also check the ATO website for your super, unclaimed super or lost super, state government website, and the Fair Work Ombudsman for lost wages or unpaid wages. So it's all there, very easy to go through. Check these websites out. I would start with the Money Smart website. Seems to be the most comprehensive and easiest to search. You just type in your name. Just a quick note as well, if you have a unique surname, you can test that out because it allows you to just search on one name as well. But if you do have a not generic, just a very common name, like say Smith, there's going to be a lot of results, so they won't show you. So you might have to get a little bit more specific than that. Unfortunately, it doesn't let you search by location because there could be a lot of Smiths, but for the purpose of this, I think it makes sense because if you've moved around in Australia, you'd want to be able to search very generically and be able to find it. Like I said before, this is going to be a very quick video. Hopefully you guys found that useful. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and if you found it useful. And as always, please consider subscribing because I try and do weekly videos on personal finances in an Australian context, and I think you'll find them useful. That's it for today, and bye for now.